Yeah.
You beat her with it, it won't come apart.
That's why Cody called you back there, so I could swap phones.
All of these.
I wanted to put more, but we kind of started recording for a crack, so we stopped.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What happened? What happened to your phone?
I want to see if it bounces.
It won't bounce.
It kind of does bounce.
Do you want to see the rest that we were going to put on? Look at all this. We were going to put all of these rubber bands on until we heard the crack.
Oh my god. How long have you guys been planning this?
Actually, I'm kind of flying off the scene.